Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this styrofoam heart from Dollar Tree and some fabric I got from Walmart. I start by rolling up the fabric, making it easier to cut, and I'm cutting strips about 2 inches wide. I then take those and I'm cutting little squares about 2 by 2. I'm taking a small screwdriver and I'm folding the pieces of fabric in half, and then I push that fabric through the styrofoam. If you want to make sure that nothing falls out and it's not in there well, you can add some hot glue. I do that in a few different spots. Towards the bottom, the point of the heart, I do add some hot glue to add the pieces in, just because I was afraid if I pushed too hard that point of the heart would break off. And then on the top, where it indents, I do use smaller pieces of fabric, so it kind of holds the shape better. Next, I'm taking 2 different ribbons that I got from Walmart and I'm making bows out of both of them. And then on the checkered one, I'm putting that right on top of the other one and tying that to it so it's on the top. For the center of the bows, I'm adding twine to it to keep those closed. And after I tie them together, I'm making sure to leave one piece of the twine hanging a little bit so I can add on a little antique key. And the key came from Amazon. I just attached that to the piece of twine in the back, leaving it hanging down a little bit. I cut away the excess twine and then add a small amount of hot glue to that knot just so it stays in place. And then hot glue that to the heart and trim up the tails a little bit. Now I wanted this to be able to stand, so I'm taking a bamboo skewer and I'm seeing where my placement needs to be, and then I'm pushing it through the back and then trimming that up so it'll be a stand for it. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.